Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to find the value of x from the given equation. The first thing we need to do is to simplify the equation and write it as follows. 5 squared multiplied by x minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 500. Of course, you remember the principle of indices that states a m minus n is equal to a m divided by a n. In this particular case, we have 5 to power 2x minus 5 to power 2x divided by 5 to power 1 is equal to 500. This one you can rewrite it further as 5 power 2x minus 5 to power 2x over 5 is equal to 500. 5 to power 2x is common, so we assume or let 5 to power 2x be equal to y. So what you have here is y minus y over 5 is equal to 500. Multiply by 5, you get 5y minus y over 5 is equal to 500. So 4y over 5 is equal to 500. Eliminate the 5 by multiplying both sides by 5. So you have on the left hand side 4y is equal to 2500. Divide both sides by 4. You have y is equal to 625. But remember, y is this value. So 5 to power 2x is equal to 625. Therefore, 5 to power 2x is equal to 5 to power 4. Have common basis, so you have 2x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. That is your answer. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.